Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Valorant error code 29. It's easy. All you have to do first, click here and then type answer here, type control panel, and now go to the view by, make it small icons, go to network and sharing center, go to access type internet. You will find here internet or Wi-Fi, click on it and then go to properties. After that, go to protocol internet version 4, go to properties, copy my settings, just select second one here and type those numbers here and then click OK and close it. And after that, go to services and scroll down until you find VGC, right click on it and click properties. Now click here, make it automatic and click apply and OK. After that, just start it, and if you can't start it, just click restart. And that's it. Now restart your PC and you will find that your problem is fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.